This is a market, but oh, sorry.
Hey, hey.
Trying to avoid a motorcycle, and I walk into a bicycle. What is it? So Numbers is how many days old, right? I don't know if I can. Thank you. I am hoping my battery lasts. I started this video with 27%, so we'll see.
Welcome to Carbon Public Market.
According to him, we are in Carbon Market. According to Google Maps, we are not there yet. But that seems to be normal. Oh.
Hi, my friend. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Vlog na?
Ay, doon kita kayo mamalit dyan. Uy, wala. Paas.
Durian. I've had durian. It wasn't that bad. This is a much larger market than I thought it would be. Well, I found the karaoke bar, or karaoke stall. Okay, say hello.
Hello.
What's your names?
Hi, I'm Eros. Hi,
Well, very nice to meet you guys. So. Okay, I'm gonna go see more of the market. It's good talking to you.
Yeah.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.